Welcome to Parsimony, featuring selling module that helps you streamline your sales processes. In this video, we will guide you through creating a lead source, an essential tool to categorize where your leads are coming from. Log into Parsimony and navigate the selling module. Select the lead source from the menu options under Settings. Here you can see the list of created lead source. Next, click on the Add Lead Source button to create a new lead source. Here, you can add the name of the lead source, a description to provide more context, and any additional information that could be helpful for your team. For this example, let's go with Facebook as the lead source. You can include a brief description to specify which social media platform this lead source is associated with. Once you have filled in the necessary details, click the Save button to add the new lead source to your list. You can now see the Facebook listed among your lead sources. Congratulations! You have successfully created a lead source in Parsimony. You can always edit or delete the lead source if needed by using the Actions button. Tracking lead sources is crucial for understanding where your leads are coming from and optimizing your marketing efforts. With Parsimony, managing your sales processes has never been easier. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials on mastering Parsimony's selling module.